feeling, don't know how to keep my thoughts straight, yeah. You got me second guessing, thinking that I made a mistake. But inside, feels so nice. Butterflies, wow, yeah. Got me some type of way with every passing day. Don't let it go to waste. Don't know how much time we have, and it's so hard for me to say what's really on my mind. I hope someday you'll realize that I just want you by my side. No, I can't deny you're the one I'm missing. You help me get by. Don't really know you, but I feel like I do. Don't need a reason why, I just vibe with you. But I admit that I feel scared. Don't know what to do with emotions I can't use. All I know is nothing can compare, yeah. Got me some type of way with every passing day. Don't let it go to waste. Don't know how much time we have, and it's so hard for me to say what's really on my mind. I hope someday you'll realize that I just want you by my side.
ये सुंदर लग रहा है।
It's the longest night of the year. The days are getting shorter, the nights are getting longer, and I can already feel the snow.
The holidays are getting closer, and we're all 1 year older than the last. The time goes by so fast,
And it's the longest night of the year, and I can't feel the cheer. It's the longest night of the year, and I wish you were here.
the cookies are baked and my heart aches, but I can feel you here with us and hold on to the sound of your laughter in the air.
The presents are wrapped and the table is set, but all I wanna do is nap and remember the best of times. It It all seems like a dream. December can bring on the best of the woes.
As the cold sets in and the darkness grows,
But with you by my side, I know we'll be alright.
you warm me like a fire till my happiness shows when you hold me close.
It's the longest night of the year. I'm so glad I've got you here. For the longest night of the year, to help me feel the cheer on the longest night. We are the light that keeps
The memories burning
bright.